Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to delete a Mattermost server. So if you're shutting down a test server, migrating, or just cleaning things up, this guide will help you do it safely and correctly. So let's get into it. Now first, you need to know how your Mattermost server was installed because the deletion steps are different for each setup. Most people use Docker, so let's start there. Now, if you installed Mattermost with Docker or Docker Compose, you want to log into your server by SSH and go to the folder where your Docker Compose.yml file is located. Then run this command and you can see on your screen. Now this stops and removes the Mattermost containers to completely wipe everything, including messages, users, and files. You also need to delete the Mattermost folder or Docker volumes. Be careful though, because this is permanent. Next, if you installed Mattermost directly on Linux or native install, you'll first stop the service with this command that you can see on the screen. Then have to disable it with a different command. After that, delete the Mattermost folder and remove the Mattermost service file. And this fully removes it from your system. Finally, if you are using Mattermost Cloud, simply log into your Mattermost Cloud dashboard, go to Workspace Settings, click Delete Workspace, and hit Confirm. Once you do this, your workspace is gone forever. And the final tip, always back up important data before deleting anything. And when it's gone, you can't recover it. And that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and let's see you in the next one.